Hi everyone, welcome to week 8. Just a few quick updates and reminders as we get started this week. So the first thing I wanted to mention is that there is going to be a major change to the due dates. 2 weeks ago, I gave you some tentative due dates, and those have actually changed slightly due to some modifications for the end of the year. So here are your new due dates. This Sunday, the 31st, habit number 7 one-pager will be due. That is the same deadline as before. And then your final video project for the 7 habits, that will count as your final, will be due Tuesday, June 2nd. Initially, it was due Wednesday. Now it is due one day earlier on Tuesday. And the last day to submit any outstanding assignments, that includes any one-pagers that you haven't submitted, is now moved up to Sunday, the 31st. So this coming Sunday is the last date for any assignments to be turned in. So please make sure that you get those in. If there's any issues with this, send me an email, but otherwise I will not be taking any work after the 31st, except for that final video project, which will be due on Tuesday. As I just mentioned, you do have a final for the 7 habits, and I will post a separate video later today that explains the final in detail. Basically, just so you are aware, it will be video summarizing and evaluating the book. One quick note about grades, work habits, and citizenship. So as I've mentioned before, grades will be the same as I have already discussed. So if your grade was lowered during distance learning, it will revert back to your 3rd quarter grade. If you improved your grade, you'll get the higher of the 2 grades. Now, work habits and citizenship grades relate to the entire semester, and that includes distance learning. So if you have been participating and checking in and completing the assignments, during this distance learning time, you will get high marks. If you haven't, you won't. So it is possible for you to get an A in the class, but get a U for citizenship and a U for work habits if you haven't been participating in distance learning. So hopefully that makes sense. If not, feel free to send me an email and I can clarify it a little bit more for you. And that's it for this week, you guys. We are in the home stretch. We're almost there. There's just a couple more things due. As always, please let me know if you need anything. And I look forward to seeing the last few things that you produce. Stay safe, stay healthy, and I look forward to seeing you all soon.